Hello and welcome to Urban Mom Work from Home. This channel is dedicated to help you find real online jobs without the stress of sorting through scams. Today I'm sharing two fresh work from home customer care representative job leads that are actively accepting applications. These roles are computer based and perfect for anyone looking to work remotely. Let's get started with today's opportunities. Our first opportunity comes from a company called The Hartford. The Hartford is a leading US based financial services company specializing in property and casualty insurance, group benefits such as disability and life insurance, and mutual funds. It provides risk management solutions for businesses and individuals, including auto, home, and commercial insurance, often catering to AARP members. Okay, so the role featured is the customer care representative. This is 100% remote role, and so the description is as a customer care representative on the group benefits team, your primary role is to provide excellent customer service by answering customer questions about disability and leave management claims. In this role, you'll help our customers rebuild their lives and get back to work as soon as reasonably possible after an unexpected event happens. The Hartford will provide you with 5 weeks of paid training as well as ongoing coaching and development to ensure your success. So this job starts on Monday, March 23rd, 2026. And so one thing to keep in mind, this role, even though it's posted as 100% remote work arrangement, they do stress that they strongly prefer candidates to reside within a commutable distance to their Hartford, Connecticut, Clinton, New York, or Charlotte, North Carolina offices. That doesn't mean you still aren't able to apply for this position if you do not live within proximity of those relocations. They're just merely saying that they would prefer if you did, but I would still go ahead and apply anyway if this is a position that appeals to you. So the training schedule, it's Monday to Friday, 11:30 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard for the first 5 weeks of employment, and time off during training is not accommodated. Another thing to keep in mind. The post-training schedule, Monday to Friday, 11:30 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time year round. The base pay for this position is $23 per hour with opportunity for growth. And we'll be looking at the actual range of pay as we go on. So let's take a look at the responsibilities. Initiate claims according to claims best practices as assigned and provide exceptional customer service, promote digital self service capabilities, utilize multiple computer applications to accurately document claim information, have a dedicated workspace free from distractions during work and training hours, required to commit to training and work schedule, and take ownership to ensure that you go above and beyond to service each caller's needs, utilizing every touch point as an opportunity to build value and the Hartford brand. So now let's take a look at some of the qualifications, the requirements, and compensation. So for qualifications, what you need, a demonstrated background in customer service, call center, insurance, retail, restaurant, or a related field. The ability to work in a fast paced, complex environment while navigating multiple programs, problem solving and critical thinking skills with a strong attention to detail, excellent communication skills with the ability to empathize with customers and colleagues, adaptability. Now, as far as educational requirements, high school diploma or equivalent experience required. So there is no degree required, just a high school diploma. Spanish bilingual, a plus. Again, to be bilingual is a plus, but it's not required. Internet, you can go through to see the internet requirements that you need because you will be using your own personal computer. What you can also do, and they provide it for you if you're not sure, you visit www.speedtest.net so you can check yourself to see if you fulfill the requirements for the laptop and the computer needs. Additional information: may have a need to work holidays based on business needs. Training requirements. As a condition of employment, you will be required to successfully complete a multi week classroom new hire training course. They invest in you from day one as an individual in your career journey. We prioritize supporting your skill development early in your career, whether this means growing your career within the business or leveraging your talents across the organization. You can count on your leader to make an investment in your development. Okay, so now we'll talk about benefits. They give you the traditional medical, dental, vision, and disability insurance effective day one. So that's very good. There's no grace period that you have to wait. On day one, you'll be eligible for your medical, dental, and vision benefits. 25 days paid time off in your first full year of service and paid holidays, tuition reimbursement, student loan pay down program. If you want to have more information about your benefits before applying, you can go to this link and take a look to see what they have lined out. And as far as compensation, the listed annualized base pay range is primarily based on analysis of similar positions in the external market. Actual base pay can vary and may be above or below the listed range. But right now, the particular range that they have is 42,000 um, 560 to 63,840. That's roughly about I want to say 20 to $30 an hour based on a 40-hour work week. So this is the position, and if this is something that a position that interests you, you should go to the company website, navigate to the career pages as soon as possible. So the next opportunity on our list is comes from another insurance company, Farmers Insurance. Farmers Insurance provides a wide range of insurance products for individuals and businesses, including auto, home, renters, specialty, life, and business insurance. The company offers a tailored coverage options like accident forgiveness, specialized home insurance, and loss control services, and is known for its mobile catastrophe response teams. Okay, this position is the customer care representative advantage. This is a 100% remote position, and they say, we are farmers. We are more than just your favorite commercial. At Farmers, we strive to deliver peace of mind to our customers by providing protection and comprehensive advice and delivering in the moments of truth. So you can read a little bit more about them in that little blurb they have. Who are they? Farmers is an award winning equal opportunity employer committed to the strength of an inclusive workplace. That's good. You can read more about that. So, um, so this is a remote position, but it seems like if you work within 50 miles of a corporate office, you do have um, a hybrid option. It says our hybrid work environment combines the best of both worlds with at least 3 days in the office and up to 2 days virtual for employees who live within 50 miles of a farmer's corporate office. applicants beyond 50 miles may still be considered. So it looks again as if they prefer people who are candidates who are living within 50 miles. I am not sure if you do want to live within 50 miles, if that hybrid if the hybrid option is mandatory or is it just an option. That's something that you'll have to um, verify if you choose to apply for the position. And as far as candidates who don't live within 50 miles, they definitely are accepting applicants, because as we go down further, you'll see that they have specific pay ranges depending on what state that you're from. So you should go ahead and submit your application. So job summary. If you are the kind of person who likes to solve problems and help others when they need it, you could be a perfect fit to grow your career with farmers. This position is a critical part of farmers insurance as it supports our customers and agents. You will be the first point of contact for our customers, supporting inquiries and insurance policy needs by answering questions regarding coverage rates, billing issues, and general policy reviews. They also mention about your professional development. They offer paid training with their renowned University of Farmers before you start serving customers so you can succeed in this role. So you will be getting some comprehensive training to prepare you for the role. In this role, you will deliver exceptional customer service while proactively seeking solutions within compliance and legal requirements, communicate with customers via multiple channels, phone, chats, emails, while navigating multiple systems and platforms. So the start date for this position is Tuesday, March 10th. Location, again, a remote position. You will need to provide a quiet, distraction-free environment with high-speed internet. This is the training and work schedule that they have, normal business hours, what they have. So the pay can range from 22.31 to 23.74 an hour based on location. Annual performance based bonus potential up to 10%. Um, as a customer service representative, you will enjoy our total rewards program to help secure your financial future and preserve your health and well-being, including 401k, generous PTO, tuition reimbursement, paid training, and much more. So let's look at the actual functions of the job. So it says, although this position is fully remote, it operates within a highly structured environment that requires you to be fully present and engaged. This includes designated start and end times, scheduled lunch, and break periods. Receive and respond to inquiries related to insurance matters, interact with customers, agents, and others to resolve moderately complex issues regarding policy provisions and conditions, evaluate and interpret policy information within prescribed authority limits, access account information, and communicate while working in multiple systems, use account information, deep product knowledge, and knowledge of compliance or legal requirements to make appropriate recommendations or decisions, escalate unresolved issues requiring advanced support for further resolution, build knowledge and acumen through self-directed learning, stay informed about underwriting policy guidelines and other updates, including compliance and legal requirements, help maintain department knowledge resources to keep them current, actively listen to customer concerns to identify trends or patterns, recognize opportunities for process improvement, and make recommendations to leadership. Partner with various departments, including policy support, claims, and underwriting to respond to customer inquiries, may work with external vendors to further address customer needs, adhere to a signed, tightly regulated schedule, and follow procedures for requesting time off, right? So, what are the experience requirements? Minimum of 1 to 3 years customer service, 1 year of experience in a call center environment, insurance or related field preferred, experience providing customer support within a high volume, complex environment preferred, your technical aptitude, intermediate computer skills with ability to navigate multiple systems simultaneously, ability to troubleshoot basic issues with equipment such as headset, internet, and connectivity, experience with Microsoft Office, suite of tools preferred, educational requirements, high school diploma or equivalent. So no degree is required, but you just need to have your high school diploma and, of course, above the required experience. Note it says here personal lines or property and casualty license may be required for this role. If required, licensing exam must be obtained within a designated number of attempts or testing window in the state in which the license is required. So again, when applying for the position, make sure you verify that that is something that you will need. Physical actions. This goes over um, certain physical actions that you might have to take, whether you are in your home office or in an office setting. You can go through those. The physical environment, what that is like if you are working at home or in an office setting. And here are the salary ranges depending on the state that you live in. You can go through here and see if it applies. If you're not listed here, I'm assuming it's the base pay that they listed initially. But if you fall into any one of these states, you can see what the pay range would be for that. Bonus opportunity based on company and individual performance, 401k, medical, dental, health savings, and flexible spending accounts, life insurance, paid time off, paid parental leave, tuition assistance. Um, any more information regarding what they offer, you can click on this link. And so here are the job locations: Florida and Texas. Um, Again, so those are where their corporate offices, I assume. Again, if you don't live within 50 miles, I would still put in my application. And anticipated application deadline at Farmers. The recruitment process is designed to ensure that we find the best talent to join our team. As part of this process, we typically close open positions within 8 to 21 days after posting. If you are interested in any open positions, we encourage you to submit your application promptly. So again, yeah, if you are interested in this position, let's see, it doesn't really mention when it was posted, but if you are interested in the position, I would apply for it as soon as possible. As we know, these remote positions go fairly quickly. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope one of these opportunities is a good match for you. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more work from home job opportunities. I'll see you in the next video.